Welcome back NH fam. Today we're back with another K-pop auditions information video where we're going to give you information about the most recent K-pop auditions currently going on. But before we get into it, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the Namaste Hali YouTube channel for more videos like this. Let's start with our first company, that is Morehouse. So Morehouse is currently home to the groups Triple S and Identity. And good news for all, this audition is open for both females and males. However, the age criteria does exist. They are allowing anyone between 2005 to 2012 for auditions, with the categories of vocals, rap, dance and visuals. Here are the required information from your end, where they will need your name, age, nationality, height, weight, address, contact information, all your SNS accounts which range from Instagram, TikTok, YouTube and etc. Then photos both front and full body, and lastly the video for your applied category. So how can you apply? You can apply via two modes. Number one is email, where you can email your application to this email address, and number two is via KakaoTalk, where you can message this contact. Both the links will be in the description box below. Only successful applicants will be contacted within 2 weeks of your application. Next on our list we have Biba Entertainment, which is currently the house of the girl group Action. They are currently searching for male trainees for their next boy group, and the application period is until August 31st. You can apply for the categories of vocal, rap and dance, and only if you are a male born in 2005 or after. How to apply? You can submit your application to this email mentioned right over here. Now, what needs to be mentioned in your email is your name, date of birth, your height, weight, education, nationality, current residence, phone number, SNS ID, and lastly, any previous experience. Next are your attachments. Your attachments are basically number one, an introduction video which needs to be under a minute, two unedited photos, one upper body frontal photo, and one full body photo. And lastly is your performance video, your audition tape itself, which again for the categories of vocal, rap and dance. Again, only the selected contestants will be contacted after the application has been sent. Next on our list we have RBW Entertainment, currently housed to Mamamoo and OneWay. So the application period for this is from April 1st to June 30th. How to apply? You can apply via the Plastic homepage, the link for which will be in the description box below. So which categories can you apply for? You can apply for vocals, rap, dance and visuals, but you can only apply for one of the previously mentioned four. So your audition video will be different based on which category you apply. For example, for the vocal/rap, you need to prepare one verse without any background music, no MR, no nothing, just your plain vocals. For dance, you need to submit a 1-minute freestyle video, and for visuals, you need to send a self-introductory video which is under a minute. And the common mandatory is photos. Basically, you need to send in two. One is a frontal and one is a full body. Both have to be unedited. This is only open for females born between 2010 to 2013. The nationality does not matter. Next on our list, we have FNC Entertainment, which is currently the house to P1 Harmony, Ampersand 1, SF9 and so many more. So the eligibility criteria for FNC Entertainment is males born between the year 2008 to 2016, and nationality does not matter. So which categories can you apply? You can apply for vocal, rap, dance, acting, visual and instruments. Specifically guitar, bass, cell or drum. So FNC's auditions are offline auditions. You can only apply for them on the day of the audition itself, and currently the auditions are ongoing. So these are the remaining dates for the auditions. 6 June at 2 p.m. is in Busan. Then on 7 June at 2 p.m. is in Ulsan. 13 June 2 p.m. Gumi. 14 June at 2 p.m. in Daegu. 21st June at 1 p.m. in Jeju. 27 June at 3 p.m. in Chuncheon. 28 June at 2 p.m. in Wonju. And lastly, 5th July at 1 p.m. in Seoul. So an interesting thing about the FNC Entertainment auditions is that you can actually win a prize if you audition. There will be a raffle to win a Sony PlayStation 5 Pro console, and this raffle will be held in 3 rounds. It will be divided across cities. So the first round will happen on 1st June at 5 p.m. and will happen between the participants of these cities. Next will be round 2, which will happen on June 15th at 5 p.m. between these cities. And lastly, round 3 will happen on 6th July at 5 p.m. between these cities. And the lottery will be held as a live broadcast on FNC's official Instagram. So for the actual audition process, how do you proceed? On the day of the auditions, you have to register yourself and you will get an issuing number or your enrollment number, and the auditions will happen in accordance to the number. As for the lottery, there will be QR codes on site where you can sign up for the lottery too. Lastly on our list, we have Mystic Story Entertainment, which currently has their audition open from May 1st to May 31st. It is open to people born between 2008 to 2013, and no gender or any nationality restrictions are placed. So how do you apply? You can send in your application via email, where you have to mention your name, nationality, date of birth, gender, height, weight and contact information. Then you have to attach two photos, one frontal and one full body, with no editing, no filters whatsoever. And lastly is your actual audition video, and although the category is singer, you can attach a vocal rap or dance audition tape and send it to this email mentioned over here. Only the successful candidates will be contacted after 2 weeks of your application email. And that's all for now. Do let us know which audition will you be applying for, and we hope this video helped you in your audition process to become a K-pop idol. And we'll see you in the next video.